Samsung is right at the top when it comes to the smartphone camera, and we have what could be the final camera specs for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The main sensor is coming at 200 megapixel along with a 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom, plus with another 3x zoom lens along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor, is once again going to be the most complete camera system indeed on any phone out there. Samsung already has the best zoom performance on any phone and impressive photo performance, with HDR being very consistent. The only thing that is mainly focused on is increasing the resolution for even better clarity in photos, along with the massive improvements with the night mode and low light performance. We can expect better video in low light as well as true 8K video, now that we have 200 megapixel sensor and an ultra stabilization mode, which is going to unlock 2.8K or maybe 4K quality for those ultra stabilized videos. Along with the camera, Samsung is fully focused on dethroning Apple as the new battery life king. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 series might have a brand new light mode, which is optimized to keep the battery performance top-notch. It's actually not going to affect the refresh rate or even gaming performance of the phone. The light mode is designed to help save the handset's battery life and run it cooler. The Snapdragon 8 General 2 chip will make sure the S23 Ultra will come closer to iPhones in giving battery life, if not beat them. You see, the battery saver mode that we already have on our phones limit the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, limits the background tasks and more, so basically it cripples the handset. But the light mode doesn't do any of that. It doesn't disable any feature, and it doesn't limit the 120 Hz refresh rate and doesn't limit the background process. All it does is it reduces the clock speed of the chipset by a couple of 100 MHz, basically matching the performance of last year's chipset while keeping every feature intact. The last few 100 MHz of the chipset are the one that consumes a lot of power, so reducing it is a smart way of saving battery life because you're not losing any significant performance, but you're gaining a lot of efficiencies and hence a better battery life. We reported a few days ago that Samsung might unveil the Galaxy S23 devices on January 5, 2023. Today, per the South Korean publication Chosun, Samsung will announce the Galaxy S23 trio of smartphone in the first week of February, seemingly marking the previous launch date rumors as incorrect. Chosun also alleges that since Samsung has a history of making the Galaxy S phones available for sale on a Friday after a fortnight of the unveiling, it is likely that users will be able to buy the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra devices on February 17. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.